Looking for the best ultra-wide monitors in 2025? Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who simply loves an expansive display, we've rounded up the top 5 ultra-wide monitors that deliver stunning visuals, exceptional performance, and an immersive experience. From blazing fast refresh rates to crystal clear OLED panels, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the LG 34GS95QE, a 34-inch ultra-wide OLED gaming monitor that brings a stunning visual experience to your gaming setup. With its WQHD 1440p resolution, you're getting crisp, clear visuals that elevate every game you play. The 800R curve ensures an immersive, wraparound experience, making you feel as though you're right in the action. What really sets this monitor apart is its 240Hz refresh rate and 0.03 milliseconds response time, ensuring ultra-smooth gameplay with virtually no lag. Whether you're into fast-paced FPS or expansive open-world titles, the LG Ultra Gear ensures every move is seamless. Plus, with AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync, screen tearing is a thing of the past. This monitor also supports HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, offering versatile connectivity. The tilt, height, and swivel stand give you customizable ergonomics, making sure comfort meets performance. At number 4, we have the Samsung 49-inch Odyssey QD-OLED G9, a powerhouse that takes immersive gaming to the next level. With its massive 49-inch ultra-wide display, featuring dual QHD resolution, this monitor offers a panoramic view that brings every game to life in stunning detail. The 240Hz refresh rate combined with a 0.03 milliseconds response time ensures lightning-fast gameplay, giving you the competitive edge in any fast-paced title. But it's not just about speed. This monitor is powered by the Neo Quantum Processor Pro, delivering exceptional color accuracy and contrast. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA title or competitive esports, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync compatibility guarantee a tear-free experience. The curved 1000R design wraps around you for an immersive experience, while the sleek, futuristic look of the monitor complements any gaming setup. The 2023 model is packed with cutting-edge features to make your gaming sessions smoother and more enjoyable. Taking the third spot is the Philips Evnia 34M2C8600, a 34-inch QD-OLED curved gaming monitor designed to elevate your gaming and entertainment experience. With an ultra-wide WQHD resolution, this monitor offers sharp, vibrant images with deeper blacks and richer colors, thanks to its Quantum.OLED technology. It's built for smooth, responsive gameplay with a 175Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 1 millisecond response time, ensuring every action is crisp and fluid. If you're into competitive gaming, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro ensures tear-free performance, no matter how intense the action gets. This monitor is also incredibly versatile with USB-C docking, making it ideal for seamless connectivity with a wide range of devices, including Xbox, PS5, and Nintendo Switch. The height-adjustable stand lets you find the perfect ergonomic setup, while Philips' 4-year advanced replacement warranty offers peace of mind. For immersive gaming and stunning visuals, the Evnia 34M2C8600 is a top-tier choice. At number 2, we have the Acer Predator X34, a 34-inch UWQHD OLED curved gaming monitor designed for those who demand nothing less than excellence. With a 3440 by 1440 resolution, this monitor delivers stunningly crisp visuals, while the 800R curve enhances immersion, creating a wraparound effect that pulls you into the game. The 240Hz refresh rate and 0.01 milliseconds response time provide unmatched smoothness and responsiveness, perfect for fast-paced gaming. Featuring AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, you'll experience fluid, tear-free gaming with minimal input lag. Plus, the VISA Display HDR True Black 400 ensures deep blacks and vibrant contrast for a more cinematic experience. This monitor also supports versatile connectivity options, including USB Type-C, DP 1.4, and 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, offering flexibility for multiple devices. The KVM switch is a fantastic bonus, allowing you to control multiple PCs with one keyboard and mouse. For gamers seeking premium performance and top-tier visuals, the Predator X34 is an exceptional choice. Taking the top spot is the MSI MEG341 CQP, a 34-inch QD-OLED curved gaming monitor that sets the bar for performance and immersive visuals. With its 3440 by 1440 UWQHD resolution, this monitor delivers exceptional clarity, and the OLED panel brings out deep blacks and vibrant colors, offering a truly cinematic experience. The 0.03 milliseconds response time and 175 Hz refresh rate ensure that every frame is displayed with ultra-smooth precision, making it perfect for fast-paced action games. It's also true Black HDR 400 certified, enhancing contrast for a more dynamic and lifelike display. Whether you're playing single-player adventures or competitive titles, the AMD FreeSync Premium technology ensures smooth, tear-free gameplay. Connectivity options like HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C provide versatility, while the tilt and height adjustable stand ensures maximum comfort. For gamers seeking the ultimate blend of speed, color, and immersion, the MSI MEG341 CQP is the clear winner in 2025. And there you have it, the top 5 ultra-wide monitors of 2025. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.